Did you know that TikTok has a new feature about TikTok templates and you can use this to upgrade your video to a whole new level? To know how to use TikTok templates, just stay tuned because I'm going to show you how, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your TikTok app. And then at the bottom row, you'll see plus sign right in the middle, so tap that plus sign. So you'll see it says templates at the bottom right corner, so tap on templates. So right now you'll see the different templates, and at the top where it says the template name, it'll say how many photos that you can upload. So in this template you can upload one photo, and here one as well. So you can see here you can upload 1 to 6 photos, and this is how it will show. So if you want to use this template, just tap upload photos at the bottom, highlighted in red. Just go ahead and tap the photos that you want to add to this template, and once you're done, tap OK at the bottom right corner. And once you're done, you can see where it says post to story, or you can tap next, or you can even edit using the features at the right corners. So tap next, or if you want to go ahead and post a story, you can do that as well. And then you can just type in what you want and then do as you normally would, and then press post at the bottom right corner. So that's it, you have learned how to use TikTok templates. So if your problem was solved and you're satisfied, do leave a like, comment, and subscribe.